Plural nouns.
Useful English grammar.
Noun plus R plus noun.
Pear is a fruit.
Strawberry is a fruit.
Pear and strawberry are fruits.
Coconut is a fruit.
Mangosteen is a fruit.
Coconut and mangosteen are fruits.
Durian is a fruit.
Avocado is a fruit.
Durian and avocado are fruits.
Bicycle is a vehicle.
Motorbike is a vehicle.
Bicycle and motorbike are vehicles.
Helicopter is a vehicle.
Airplane is a vehicle.
Helicopter and airplane are vehicles.
Train is a vehicle.
Bus is a vehicle.
Train and bus are vehicles.
Lion is an animal.
Elephant is an animal.
Lion and elephant are animals.
Rhinoceros is an animal.
Bison is an animal.
Rhinoceros and bison are animals.
Dog is an animal.
Cat is an animal.
Dog and cat are animals.
Rose is a flower.
Orchid is a flower.
Rose and orchid are flowers.
Lily is a flower.
Tulip is a flower.
Lily and tulip are flowers.
Daisy is a flower.
Carnation is a flower.
Daisy and carnation are flowers.
Shark is a fish.
Dolphin is a fish.
Shark and dolphin are fish.
Barracuda is a fish.
Whale is a fish.
Barracuda and whale are fish.
Arowana is a fish.
Salmon is a fish.
Arowana and salmon are fish.
New York is a city.
Paris is a city.
New York and Paris are cities.
Bangkok is a city.
Jakarta is a city.
Bangkok and Jakarta are cities.
Seoul is a city.
Tokyo is a city.
Seoul and Tokyo are cities.
Nile is a river.
Amazon is a river.
Nile and Amazon are rivers.
Yangtze is a river.
Mississippi is a river.
Yangtze and Mississippi are rivers.
Yangtze is a river.
Parana is a river.
Yangtze and Parana are rivers.
Indonesia is a country.
Japan is a country.
Indonesia and Japan are countries.
Italy is a country.
New Zealand is a country.
Italy and New Zealand are countries.
India is a country.
Thailand is a country.
India and Thailand are countries.
Everest is a mountain.
Fuji is a mountain.
Everest and Fuji are mountains.
Merapi is a mountain.
Semeru is a mountain.
Merapi and Semeru are mountains.
Annapurna is a mountain.
Etna is a mountain.
Annapurna and Etna are mountains.
Butterfly is an insect.
Ladybug is an insect.
Butterfly and ladybug are insects.
Beetle is an insect.
Bee is an insect.
Beetle and bee are insects.
Ant is an insect.
Spider is an insect.
Ant and spider are insects.
Red is a color.
Blue is a color.
Red and blue are colors.
Pink is a color.
Yellow is a color.
Pink and yellow are colors.
Green is a color.
Brown is a color.
Green and brown are colors.
Earth is a planet.
Mars is a planet.
Earth and Mars are planets.
Venus is a planet.
Mercury is a planet.
Venus and Mercury are planets.
Jupiter is a planet.
Saturn is a planet.
Jupiter and Saturn are planets.
Africa is a continent.
Australia is a continent.
Africa and Australia are continents.
Asia is a continent.
Antarctica is a continent.
Asia and Antarctica are continents.
Europe is a continent.
North America is a continent.
Europe and North America are continents.
Colander is a kitchen utensil.
Kettle is a kitchen utensil.
Colander and kettle are kitchen utensils.
Pan is a kitchen utensil.
Wok is a kitchen utensil.
Pan and wok are kitchen utensils.
Cutting board is a kitchen utensil.
Grater is a kitchen utensil.
Cutting board and grater are kitchen utensils.
Komodo is a reptile.
Crocodile is a reptile.
Komodo and crocodile are reptiles.
Turtle is a reptile.
Tortoise is a reptile.
Turtle and tortoise are reptiles.
Lizard is a reptile.
Iguana is a reptile.
Lizard and iguana are reptiles.
Thank you for learning with L's Peak.
Please subscribe and ring the bell.